Hi everybody, welcome back to today's video. And now today I'm going to give you all these files for your project. Okay, so now we have about 1 2 3 4 5 of them in all, and I'm going to open them and show you exactly how to use it. These files are also password protected. That means you'll not be able to use it until you watch this video through. And you know how I always do it. I'm going to divide the password into three different parts. So get all the 3 passwords and then just watch the video to the end, get the 3 passwords, and then you'll be able to access the content of this file I'll be giving you. Alright, so the first one, now this one I have already created it among my videos, so you'll be able to see it. If you want to create it from scratch, you will be able to, because I'll show you the step-by-step process to do this. But this is how I also created it, just in case you are new over here. The first thing I want you to do is to mute this picture, and then there's the background, there's the image, there's the flowers I added, and then this is also the shadow you add as well to make it more realistic. And then there's the foreground image, and then I threw in other resources as well. Okay, so this one, and then now you merge all. You click on Ctrl Alt Shift and then E to merge all, and then you just put it here. Okay, once you merge all, double click it. Let me show you how to do it. First, mute it, click on this one. Now Ctrl Alt Shift and then E to merge everything together like this. Right click it and then copy. Alright, where is it? If I just click on Ctrl C to copy it, and I want to hide this one, go in there and then paste it. Now the one underneath it, delete it. Ctrl S to now save the entire document. Once it's done, just close it and then delete the one that you just merged. Okay, now you are done with everything. Once you unmute this one, the whole thing becomes very nice because of the camera raw filter we added to the entire merge all. So, and then we threw in some blues as well. So that's how we actually did this. Very simple, right? So let's close this. Let's now go to the second one as well. Now the second one seems a little complicated, but it is not. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use it. This template can be a little confusing, but once you get the process and I show you how to go about it, I don't think you'll get lost along the way. So the first thing, I want you to hide this. If you don't hide this, you'll not be able to edit it because you'll not see the progress. Hide it. Now once you are done, you can see everything: the background, the white ellipse on the head, the image itself, the name that I put there, the message there, and then this one also there, and then that one as well. And then I added in some glue. Then you click over here, merge everything by clicking on Ctrl Alt Shift and then E, and then you can put it here as we did in the other ones as well. Once you activate it, the colors are going to be epic, cinematic, and very dramatic as well. So this is what we have. I'm going to close it, and then this one too is also a little bit complicated, but very easy to understand. So you can see how let's click on update. You can see how the entire layers look like. Really difficult to understand. So first thing first, let's mute or make this one invisible. Nice. Now you can click on the background here, the Instagram there. We have all these stuff. Alright, so all these things you can easily replace them or create them. So everything is here. Once you are done with everything, you merge it all here, and then you just add in this one, and then that is it. Really simple and nice. Now I believe this is already on my channel, so you should be able to design it from scratch as well. This is also on my channel, so you should be able to do this. Now guys, really important announcement: if you haven't liked this video, please like this video and then also comment as well. This is password protected. You will not be able to use the files until you watch the video to the end. Get all the 3 passwords, and you will be able to do so. Let's double click on this one, then let's see also how to create it. Now this is already on my channel, so I'm not going to show you how to create it from scratch, but then you can see the layers. Everything is neatly grouped over here. Okay, let's hide this one, and then we can have access to each and every single one of the contents or the layers. Once you're done, merge it all and then put it inside this one, and then that's all. You're going to have something epic like this as well. Let's go to the last one. Now this is also a tour flyer, travel tour flyer. Keep layers, travel tour flyer. All right, so very simple. This is very minimal, very minimal. You don't need an extra help to do this. This can actually just open the folders and then just type in the details, and then you are good to go. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. Give this video a like and subscribe as well, and see you all in the next one. Peace.